Creating faceless YouTube videos is one of the top online side hustles where you can make money on YouTube without showing your face. In this video, I will give you 2 niche ideas so that you can start a faceless channel using only Canva. I will show you samples of these channels and how you can create those videos in Canva. This channel, called Sell This Now, is about Shopify and tells you what products to sell in Shopify to have the best sales. The channel's CPM ranges from $70 to $100. The videos of this channel are faceless, and production is quite easy. If we open some of these videos, we will see that the video consists of product images or videos, product features, and voiceover. Beyond YouTube earnings, they make money through affiliate marketing, including product links in the description. Also, this channel has a website that puts products related to Shopify and in this way generates income. With these 3 income streams, this channel earns over $10,000 per month. If you are very interested in this topic, you can start this channel and have very good passive income for yourself. To create these videos, you need 4 steps. Step 1 is to go to AliExpress or Amazon to download the images or videos for your product. Step 2 is to go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a compelling 1-minute script for our type of product, highlighting its key features and benefits. After that, ask it to provide bullet points outlining the benefits of this product. Step 3, go to a website called 11 Labs or Play HT, paste your script, choose your voice, hit generate, and download it. And step 4 is to bring those images and voiceover into Canva, and now we can begin editing. Okay, we have our images and voiceover. First, we'll insert our voiceover, and up here, we will drag this one as long as our voiceover is, in this case, 27 seconds, and our voice will be dragged automatically. Next, we'll split this into 3 and 2 second segments, and it should look like this. Now, we're going to insert all of our images into each of these 1 image or video per section. So we're going to go to images, and we're going to drag one of the images here. We'll spread it in the middle, and it should look like this. Then we'll bring the other images in here and do the same thing, so it should look like this. Now down here between the 2 squares, you're going to click on this one here where it says Add Transition and add a transition. You're going to do that for all of these. It should look like this. Next, you'll download this video and re-upload it to Canva. Then go to Elements, Grids, and select this one. Choose a background and insert it into these 2 squares. Go to Uploads and drag and drop the video into the square. Click on Text and select Add Subheading. Copy the bullet point from ChatGPT and paste it here. Adjust the color to your liking, shrink the text to fit in the box, and click on List. Move to Animations, choose an animation, and duplicate the text based on the number of bullet points you have. Below, add selling price, product cost, shipping, and profit margin. Now go to the text, right-click, and select Show Timing. A field will appear below. Leave the timing as it is for the first one and adjust the others to appear later. So for each subsequent point, we'll drag a little to the right as I'm showing you now. In the end, the video will look like this. Repeat this process for another 5 or 6 products, stitch them together, and you will have a video. Now here's another channel that doesn't show its face that gets over 3 million views every single month, which could be up to $5,000 to $10,000 per month just from ad revenue. The channel is called Quiz Monster, and they specialize in creating quizzes or multiple choice questions to test knowledge about various topics. People enjoy challenges and actively share comments about their scores and express how fun the videos are. Now, if you watch any of the videos, you'll notice a format with questions, pictures, timers, and answers playing throughout the video. And you're probably saying, wouldn't these types of videos be super hard to make? And no, they're actually incredibly easy to create using Canva. We're going to start by opening up Canva and searching for a background. We'll select videos and pick one we like. The video we are about to make is a quiz on animals. Then we're going to the frame section on the element tab and search for a rectangle, and we will select a horizontal frame. Then we're going to hit animate and wiggle, and I'm gonna slow down the intensity. Next, go to text, click add a heading, choose a font, and ask the question. In our case, it will be guess the animal. And now enlarge it and adjust it to fit. Change the color to one that suits you. Hit Effects, go to Background, and choose a color. Next, search for a monkey, select one, and drag it into the frame. Add a circle with the letter C on your keyboard. Drag it to the left in the middle, increase the size, change the color to yellow, and add a border using the second icon. You can then click on the border color and change it to red. I can also increase the weight of the border here to 7. Search for a 5-second timer on the Elements tab. Then go to Video to find one you like and drag it onto the canvas. Then we're going to hit Edit Photo and Background Remover. Set the timer in the circle. I'll click on both the circle and timer with the Shift key and group them. Then we will add text and insert the answer in it. Place it where the timer is. We're going to add a color and we're going to add a background. The next step is to change the timing of the element. Click on the timer, right-click on your mouse to bring up the menu and select Show Timing. Now, if you drag the playhead slowly with your mouse, you will be able to place the objects at a specific time. For example, I want the timer to appear at 1 second, so I will drag the handle to meet the line. I'll also drag the playhead to where the timer reaches 1 and drag the end handle to meet the line. Also, when the timer stops is the same time the answer should appear, so click on the answer and drag the first handle to meet the playhead. Finally, I will add animations to all the elements and we can see how it will turn out. And for the finishing touch, you have to add sound effects, repeat the process with other animals, and merge them into one video, and you will have a quiz video ready for your channel. Now that you know, you can jump into these 2 niches because it is possible to create these videos with Canva. Feel free to let me know if you want to explore more niches, where again, by using Canva, you will be able to create faceless videos and earn money on YouTube.